Hello and welcome to Research Academy's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing important case laws for the month of July 2023, especially for CLAT PG students. So if you are appearing in CLAT PG 2024, do check out our other videos as well where we have talked about monthly case lists and the relevance for your examination. तो start करते हैं जुलाई में कौन से important cases आए हैं. But before that, we have a quick announcement. There's a free webinar on how to start your preparation for CLAT PG 2024 and crack this exam in 100 days. So if you're interested, you can register it for free. The dates are 17th and 18th August in the evening 7 to 8:30 p.m. The registration is absolutely free. So you can go register from the link given in the description box or the link given on your screens. Now let's come to the cases. The first case for the month of July, which is important for you guys, is the judgment of Bhim Rao Baswanath Rao Patil versus K. Madan Mohan Rao. In this two-judge bench decision, the Supreme Court has talked about the importance of democracy and right to vote. So आपके लिए जो इसमें relevant है वो ये है कि with respect to right to vote, the status of right to vote, other cases which are related to right to vote or the election commission, that becomes important. तो इस judgment में court ने reiterate किया that democracy is an essential feature of the constitution and right to vote is a statutory right, and that is why the voters have a right to know about the full background of a candidate. So this is not the first time where the court has made this very important observation. In fact, there have been a series of judgments in which the court has established a voter's right to know about the antecedents of the candidate, and this is a fundamental right under Article 90. तो इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में दिस जजमेंट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. और इससे रिलेटेड एक और 2023 का केस है विच इज़ अनूप परनवाल वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, जिसमें कोर्ट ने इलेक्शन कमिश्नर के ऑफिस के बारे में काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइडलाइंस दिए हैं कि उसमें जो अपॉइंटमेंट्स हैं वो कैसे होंगे. सो प्लीज़ रेफर दैट केस एज वेल व्हाइल रीडिंग दिस जजमेंट. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द सेकंड केस. द सेकंड केस फॉर जुलाई इज मथाला चंद्रपति राव वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. In this two-judge bench decision, the Supreme Court has refused to direct the legislature to make a law on prohibiting cow slaughter. तो इस केस में रिट पिटिशन फाइल हुई थी regarding prohibition of cow slaughter and giving the direction to the legislature to make a law on that. तो कोर्ट का कहना है कि the court cannot direct or force the legislature to come out with a specific law even in its writ jurisdiction. ये काफ़ी established position है कि because of separation of power, the judiciary cannot direct the legislature on how to make a law because the legislature is supreme and sovereign so far as law making function is concerned. तो इस केस में कोर्ट ने रिफ्यूज कर दिया इस रेमेडी को देने से. सो दिस इज अगेन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट ऑन डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर. Now let's come to the third judgment. We have the case of Reserve Bank of India versus A.K. Nair and others. In this two-judge bench decision, it is about reservation in promotion to persons with disability. तो कोर्ट ने इस केस में आर्टिकल 142 को इन्वोक किया टू डायरेक्ट द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया टू गिव बेनिफिट ऑफ reservation and promotion to an employee with disability. So because RBI did not have a policy of giving reservation and promotion to persons with disability, so the Supreme Court had to invoke its special power under Article 142. कोर्ट का कहना है कि just because there is an absence of an express mandate for giving reservation and promotion to persons with disability, that does not mean that the government is absolved from its responsibility to reserving vacancies on promotional posts for persons with disability. So ये केस अपने आप में उतना relevant नहीं होगा. You will have to read important judgments on rights of persons with disability. तो आप विकास झा वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, जीजा घोष वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, इस टाइप के जजमेंट्स जो recent years में आए हैं, you can also refer to them to understand the right of persons with disability because this is a very important topic under Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India. Now let's come to the next judgment. We have the case of Raman Kumar and others versus Union of India. इस judgment में कोर्ट ने कहा है कि regularizing services of only some employees and not of other employees who are equally entitled will be violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. तो ये judgment भी service jurisprudence से related है, जहाँ पे कोर्ट ने कहा है कि अगर there are employees who are entitled for regularization और अगर आप उनमें से सिर्फ कुछ ही employees को regularize करते हैं और बाकी लोगों को नहीं करते हैं, तो this will qualify as violation of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट जजमेंट पे. नेक्स्ट केस है डॉक्टर जया ठाकुर वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया का. इन दिस 3-judge bench decision, the Supreme Court has clarified again the position of how Supreme Court judgments can be overruled. तो इस केस में कोर्ट ने कहा है, एंड दे हैव merely reiterated a very settled point of jurisprudence, that nullification of a court direction by legislation is not permissible without altering the basis of the judgment. तो उन्होंने क्लैरिफाई किया है कि लेजिस्लेचर किस केस में किसी कोर्ट के जजमेंट को या डायरेक्शन को ओवररूल कर सकती है. दैट कैन ओनली बी डन वैलिडली अगर आप उस जजमेंट का बेसिस ही ऑल्टर करते हैं. अगर आप वो नहीं कर रहे हैं तो सिंपली nullification of a court judgment by a legislature will not be a legal exercise of power. अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट केस पे, विच इज़ अरुण देव उपाध्याय वर्सेस इंटीग्रेटेड सेल्स सर्विस लिमिटेड जजमेंट. तो इस 2 जज बेंच डिसीजन में, विच इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट केस, कोर्ट ने एक्सप्लेन किया है व्हाट इज एरर अपेरेंट ऑन द फेस ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड. कोर्ट ने ये चीज़ इसीलिए क्लैरिफाई करी क्योंकि जब रिव्यू का मैटर आता है तो कोर्ट कैन ओनली रिव्यू इट्स ओन जजमेंट व्हेन देयर इज एन एरर अपेरेंट ऑन द फेस ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड. तो कोर्ट का कहना है कि द एरर विच इज़ ऑन द फेस ऑफ अ रिकॉर्ड मस्ट बी सच टाइप ऑफ एरर जहाँ पे सिर्फ देखने से, merely looking at the record, should strike and it should not require any long drawn process of reasoning. तो कोर्ट का कहना है कि अगर आपको long drawn process of reasoning करनी पड़ रही है to see what is the error in the judgment, then that is not an error apparent on the face of the record. So this is again a very important judgment so far as the meaning of this very important phrase is concerned with respect to review of judgments. The next judgment is the case of Madras Aluminium Company Limited versus Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. In this case, the court has again reiterated the obligation of the state to abide by Article 14 even in the contractual realm. तो इस केस में कोर्ट ने क्लैरिफाई किया है कि not only in its sovereign functions but also जब state कोई contractual obligations लेती है तो उसमें भी it has the responsibility to abide by Article 14 of the Constitution. कोर्ट का कहना है कि the fact that a dispute falls into contractual realm does not relieve the state of its obligation to comply with Article 14. So this is again a very established position, but this is an important case on that very important position. So this brings us to the end of our July update for important cases on CLAT PG. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment box below.